What if luxury didn't just drive, but flew above the future? Meet the Cadillac Elevated Velocity Concept, a bold vision of next-generation luxury and performance. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of futuristic design, combining high-speed capability with extreme comfort and cutting-edge autonomous technology. Built for both ground and elevated driving experiences, it pushes the limits of innovation and imagination. The aerodynamic body, digital cockpit, and intelligent driving systems redefine what a luxury vehicle can be. Cadillac envisions a future where power meets elegance in a completely new way. The Elevated Velocity Concept. It's not just transportation, it's the future of premium mobility redefined with confidence and style. Humanity's next wheels won't touch Earth, they'll drive on the moon. We meet the Lunar Outpost Eagle, a next-generation lunar mobility and exploration vehicle designed for NASA-supported missions and commercial space travel. Built to operate in extreme lunar conditions, it combines advanced autonomous navigation, rugged terrain handling, and modular payload systems for scientific research. Its lightweight structure and electric propulsion allow silent, efficient movement across the moon's surface. The Eagle is engineered to support astronauts, transport equipment, and collect critical data for future space settlements. This isn't just a rover, it's a stepping stone towards permanent lunar exploration. Lunar Outpost Eagle represents the future of off-world transportation and human expansion. BMW just didn't upgrade driving, it upgraded your mind behind the wheel. Meet BMW iDrive, the intelligent command system that transformed driving forever. This isn't just a dashboard interface, it's your digital co-pilot. From navigation and entertainment to vehicle settings and performance control, iDrive brings everything under one smooth, intuitive system. With its high-resolution display, voice control, and smart rotary controller, it reduces distraction and maximizes focus on the road. Over the years, BMW has refined iDrive into a powerful AI-driven experience that adapts to driver behavior. It's fast, responsive, and built for modern luxury. BMW iDrive isn't just technology, it's the brain behind the ultimate driving machine, delivering unmatched control and precision every experience. Imagine your car turning into a glowing, moving canvas at night. Lumalor is a groundbreaking light-emitting paint technology that transforms any vehicle into a glowing masterpiece. Unlike traditional paint or LED strips, this system lights up the entire body panel, creating smooth, animated illumination effects that feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. Controlled digitally, it can change colors, patterns, and motion in real time. From concept cars to futuristic designs, Lumalor is redefining automotive customization and visibility. It's not just style, it also enhances safety by making vehicles more visible at night. This innovation blends art, technology, and engineering, giving cars a truly futuristic identity on the road, always evolving. What if your car doors could protect you like armor every time they open? Meet car door pads, a simple yet powerful invention designed to protect your vehicle from scratches, dents, and everyday impact damage. Installed on door edges and contact points, these pads act as a shock-absorbing barrier whenever doors are opened in tight spaces. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, they preserve your car's paint and finish while adding a clean, factory-style look. Perfect for parking lots, garages, and city driving, they reduce costly repair risks with a smart, low-profile design. Car door pads may look small, but they deliver big protection, keeping your vehicle safe, stylish, and damage-free every single day. What if your spare wheel didn't just sit, but saved your entire adventure? Meet the Front-Runner Spare Wheel Setup, a smart, rugged solution built for serious off-road explorers. This system securely mounts your spare wheel using a precision-engineered rear carrier, keeping it accessible, stable, and ready for any terrain. Designed for durability, it frees up interior space while ensuring quick recovery when you need it most. Built with heavy-duty materials and adjustable mounting options, it fits seamlessly on expedition vehicles and 4x4s. Whether you're crossing deserts or climbing mountains, this setup guarantees reliability and convenience. FrontRunner doesn't just carry your spare, it carries your confidence into every off-road journey. What if one device could connect your car, your tools, and your entire journey? Meet the Factor 55 ProLink, a precision-engineered recovery innovation built for serious off-road performance. Designed to replace traditional tow hooks, it offers a stronger, safer, and more reliable connection point for winch recovery operations. Crafted from high-grade billet aluminum, the ProLink eliminates weak strap failures and reduces wear during extreme pulls. Its smooth, rounded design prevents damage to synthetic winch lines while improving safety under heavy load. Trusted by off-road enthusiasts and professionals, it turns dangerous recoveries into controlled, confident operations. Factor 55 ProLink isn't just an accessory, it's a critical upgrade for strength, safety, and real-world adventure reliability.